A lot of work to landscape some garbage in your yard, you know? We stand back here in about another 30 minutes and look at this bitch. Then we'll look at decorating all around these trees with some of that junk I got laying there too. What are we doing today, Steve? I got this 29 Packard. I'm gonna landscape it right here and make it kind of look cool. It's kind of a dead spot. I don't want to get rid of those trees because anytime you have trees in the desert, you want to leave them if you can. So I'm just gonna use it as a landscape area. I'm gonna put this old Packard in there and maybe get some landscape lights, light up the trees. It'll look kind of cool sitting in there. So that's what we're doing. I think I can start with it right there. Yeah, I gotta find some lenses, but that's what my plan is to do. Get some headlights on it. I got some lenses somewhere, but they're stuck in, God, where are those suckers? A friend of mine gave me this. Well, actually, he wasn't a friend of mine. He'd seen my YouTube channel. Called me one day and said, hey, I got this old Packard. Do you want it? You can have it. Come get it. I went and got it. There's actually a YouTube video on me picking this car up on our YouTube channel if you want to check it out. But pretty neat car. Really hard to find a set of wheels for it though. I've had a hard time. So I'm just gonna fake some wheels up underneath it today until I find some for it. But it looks cool. It's a really neat car. It was a very expensive car back in 1929. They were a beautiful car, that's for sure. Heavy. That is a heavy car. It needed to have that. It's got a straight 6 in it. Or straight 8 in it, I'm sorry. They got a straight 8-cylinder motor in them, so they ran pretty good. I think their top speed was like 75, 80 miles an hour. Something like that. Back in the day, that's moving in 1929. I think I'm gonna leave it there and make it work. There you go. Yes, sir. That's gonna look good. Buried up to the fucking half the damn axle. It might be real close. I need an old toolbox over here. I think I got one. I know where one is actually. It'll look cool right here. I'm gonna go grab it. Perfect for it. Perfecto. Take both these with us. This cool toolbox full of shit. Full of heavy shit. That looks sick. It's an awesome little backdrop. Yeah. I just like to drop a little bit. Take a look. We need headlights. We need some lights, man. Light up the whole engine compartment. They look pretty cool because that's exactly what I was hoping for when they come out, you know, because they're going to be in here. You can see it from right here. Yeah, it's going to look good. And come through here, walk out, boom. How you doing? Yeah, I definitely needed that. We need a bunch of shit right here. Kind of be cool to maybe set up like a fake jack in the wheel or something next to it. Yeah, I got one of those big ones. Yeah. Where is that? I brought it. Is it in here? You mean another but it's like it's actually what we need is one of those the little ones. Yeah, little bottle jack. Yeah, the old Widowmakers, what they call them. But I got a set of wheels in here.